Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a high quality business listing backlink. So the website name is askmap.net. This is a website interface. So before they started we can research something about that website. So according to Acharya the domain rating is 72 and according to SimilarWeb this website having 10.3k monthly visitors and the mostly traffic from Philippines, Germany, USA, Vietnam, India, and other country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you want to increase brand awareness, crawlability, and the audience from that kind of country, so you guys have to create your backlink on that website. So we have completed our research process. So now we can start. So you can see this is the dashboard. So there is a sign up for free button. You can click over there and you can add your username. Then you can choose your password, and after that you guys have to add your password. And after that username must be at least 8 characters. Job ma. Okay, then we can do it again. So you can see our profile has been created and there is add a location button. You can click over there and there you can choose your business name. There you can add your business name. Okay, category, so video interview software, and the full address. So there you guys can add your office address. Office address are headquarter address Minton ka, and the control chat. In the city section I can add a city, United States, codes, latitude and the longitude. If you have a longitude or latitude, so you can. So now we can add latitude and the longitude about our addresses. So you can see this is a longitude, latitude, and the we can add a longitude. Okay, so there you can add your website URL. In the business hours section, there you can add your opening and the closing hours. So Monday to Friday, Saturday and closed. So we have made it some changes and I have a description. So let me add it. And after that you can click for the save changes button. Internal server error ops something. Okay, few minutes, please retry in a few minutes. I think there is some technical something error. So you guys have to you guys can try, and you guys will know what is the process of listing businesses over there. So you can try and you can list your businesses on that website if you want. So okay, yeah. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section, so where you guys can found me easily. And if you guys can want to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button. And I also provide my UPI ID, so if you're wanting to help me something, whatever you want, so you guys can also do if you want. So okay, bye bye and take care.